Are you looking for how to fix Bluetooth not working on Samsung Galaxy phone or Bluetooth problem on Samsung phone? In this video, I show you how to fix Bluetooth not working on Samsung Galaxy phone. For solving this problem, go to settings, tap on search icon. Now search for reset. Tap on reset. Again tap on reset. Now tap on reset network settings. Tap on reset settings. Enter your PIN or password. Now tap on reset. Now go back to home screen. Now restart your phone. Now tap on restart. Again restart. After restart your phone, now open settings. Now tap on connection. Now tap on Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth. Now tap on your Bluetooth. Now tap on pair. Now I hope that this method fix Bluetooth not working on Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Thomas Guide.